Oh boy, this new moon is a big one. I mean, every new moon brings opportunity for new beginnings. But with this Mercury retrograde and Aries happening right now, this new moon could be such a powerful reset for you. So I'm going to have a meditation for you all to do in a minute to help you go through setting some intentions for this time. So Libra is all about balance and equality. So when you're making decisions about your reset, make them in the name of justice and fairness and balance, because if you're only caring about your own interest or operating from ego, remember, this is a tough one. Karma doesn't care if you believe in her or not. So keep in mind, with the chaotic and passionate Mars in retrograde in Aries, it could accelerate some heated face-offs. So remember, Libra, the lesson of balance. And you can call in a special star that the sun and moon are going to be aligning with, called Spica. And this is a star of good fortune and generosity. So if you're feeling a little stuck in this new moon time, call on Spica to find your balance while you're creating your powerful reset. So let's get into the meditation exercise. My name is Yuko and I am a holistic hairstylist, and I tap into astrology and the energy of what's going on in the stars to really assist in making intentions for releasing or calling in while you're getting your hair cut or colored. So it can be the most impactful and sacred for you. So for what I'm going to be talking today and tomorrow with my clients is channeling that Libra energy of the new moon. So take a moment to do this with me. Take a deep breath, get into a relaxed state, and you can answer these questions in your mind, or if you want to write the answers down that come to you. So where are you in your life are you feeling out of balance? Where in your life would you like to create more harmony? And what would you need to let go of in order to achieve this balance? And these could be people, these could be coping tools, taking on too much. Maybe it's procrastinating on doing something that you really have in your heart and a calling to do. And now think of the qualities that you might need in order to execute on this releasing or on the calling in. So maybe it's clear boundaries, self-love, courage, compassion, and just feel your heart opening as you take a few deep breaths, visualizing a beautiful healing white light glowing and growing in your heart space. And it may be only a flicker at first, and that's okay. Keep breathing in and feel that flicker growing into a beautiful white ball of healing white light, and visualize those qualities that you want coming to you. And this ball is acting like a magnet for those qualities that are going to help you during this new moon. And as you breathe out, release any limitations in your exhale, and calling in the lucky, generous star, Spica, to help guide you and fulfill what you are wanting to create for yourself and for the world around you. Have a beautiful new moon, everyone.